Artoonza.
Okay. Stop right there. Before we do anything today, hit that like button. Come on, don't be shy. Pretty pleased with glitter on top? Amazing. Now we can begin. Hey there, shape superstars and glitter geniuses. Today, we're going on the most epic shape adventure ever. Hearts, stars, circles, squares, and a triangle so giant it probably has its own zip code. Now I know what you're thinking. Shapes? Really? How thrilling can shapes possibly be? Well, hold on to your crayons, because we're about to take boring old shapes and turn them into something so sparkly and glittery, even your teacher will want to frame it on the classroom wall.
Aw, so cute.
Oh, and we've got this tiny little vacuum that cleans up glitter. Yes, an actual vacuum. It's basically the cutest thing on the planet, and it takes its job very, very seriously. More seriously than I take mine, honestly. Stay tuned, because the coloring magic is coming up next. And trust me, you absolutely do not want to miss it. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Every great world starts with sky and sea. This oval claimed both. And honestly, we respect that. What's a world without love? The heart arrived in pink, blushing, bold, and a little dramatic, like someone who cries at every movie. We adore her. Give us a big thumbs up. Then came the star, golden, glowing, already rehearsing its Oscar speech. And honestly, it deserved every word of it. Red, bold, fearless, and ready to save the entire world. Like a superhero who skipped the cape and just chose red instead. No questions asked. Best game decision ever. Light green square. Cool, calm, and basically the friend we all desperately need. Shows up with snacks and makes everything better.
Aw, so cute.
Purple rectangle walked in like royalty. Mysterious, magical, and totally unbothered. Orange circle, spinning with joy, round, radiant, and somehow smelling of sunshine and good vibes. We approve. The rhombus came in brown, earthy and mysterious, like buried treasure waiting to be found. And guess what? We found it. And finally, the giant triangle blazing red like the final boss of a video game. This wasn't just another shape. This was the grand finale, the boss level, the moment every player waits for. Red, the color that never asks for permission, it just shows up and owns the stage. And with that, our masterpiece is complete. Game shapes win. Wow. Smash that like button now. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.